Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Gabe, and welcome to another episode, and thanks for over 200 subscribers. Today I'm in Siam Center, so let's walk around and see what kind of shops they have. And thank you supporting me for my channel and over 200 subscribers. Okay guys? Okay guys. So let's walk around now and see what we can find, okay? Okay guys. Yeah, so I'm boots on the ground over here. So when you help somebody, you help yourself, okay guys? So I believe this is the food court over here, as you can see. Okay, and over here, so I'm on the 3rd floor. Okay guys, and we're walking now. So I'm going to show you the different shops here, and as you can see, I'm going to show you the different shops and where we can buy some food and some different products. Okay, so here we go guys. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay guys, so there's Bonchon chicken here. So I'm on the 3rd floor. Mung khom, bin, Maggi curry. Okay. Da galbi. Alright, this used to be a Dairy Queen, but now it's a Flash Coffee. I remember Dairy Queen used to be there, but they got obliterated. They got destroyed because of the COVID virus. Yeah, so a lot of shops closed down. Okay, and I believe over there Siam Discovery, but we're not going to be going over there today, so I'm going to be making a U-turn. Yeah, we'll be doing that next time for our next video. There's Yves Rocher, France. Uzo Suki. Now there's not a lot of people here, but people start coming around lunchtime, 12 o'clock, and maybe dinner time around 6. So that's why there's not a lot of people right now. Which is okay, I'm okay with that because, you know, I have time to make this video. There's Hachiban Ramen. I like Hachiban Ramen. Alright, let's take a look at the food court and see what they have over here. And see what kind of food you can get. So they have a teppanyaki special over here, 100 baht. Now this food court has everything, as you can see. It's called Food Republic. So you have all your pad thai, all your goodness over here. So let's see, here you have pad thai with New Zealand. Okay, and then here you have your mussels. And here you have your Thai cuisine, masaman, vegetables, fried egg. Everything is going for about $2 or $3, okay guys? So it's very cheap, very affordable. You have stewed duck rice there. Omelet here, burger here. Okay, I'm going to be going down to the 2nd floor now. So you can take a look at the 2nd floor, because this is the 3rd floor, okay guys? Okay, let's take a look at the 2nd floor now and see what kind of shops they have. Okay, so if you keep on going straight, you can see that's the escalator to Siam Paragon, but we're not going to Siam Paragon now. So I'm making a right. And as you can see, we have many shops here catering to fashion and for the rich people. There's a Starbucks here. That's the entrance for the BTS. You can take the SkyTrain over there. Okay, let me walk around now. And let's finish this floor. I don't think I'm going to be making it to the first floor. We'll see. I'm not too sure if I'm going to be making it to the first floor because this video will be finished by then. Q Design and Play. I think mostly the clothes here are catered towards girls, teens, and high school, and university students. Yeah. I think men's clothing maybe like 25%. Maybe it's geared more towards women, 75%. Because you can see there's a lot more ladies shops here than men's clothing. Yeah, guys, so as you can see, there's a lot of fashion here. Okay, here's the sunglasses here. Okay, I'm gonna be making a right. This is incense over here, tan. Here's hair and nail. Hey Siri, what's the name of that song? Cape Town, Panama. At the Greyhound Cafe? Okay. Looks like we're going to be making it to the first floor, guys. We'll see. But as you can see, oh, that's a nice armor there. It looks like a very, I'm not too sure what the date or country where that's from, but it's a nice armor. Yeah, #1 fashion place, definitely. But, yeah, guys, so, I'm going to be going down now. Another floor. So just let me go over here. The little flowers, yeah, flower shop there, bags. Okay. And then as you can see over here, we're going to be going down to the first floor now. I'm not sure if this is the way or not. Oh yeah, this is the way, but I gotta go this way. Okay. Okay, that's the way to Paragon, but I'm going to go down to the first floor now, and then I'm going to finish this video on the first floor, okay? Yeah, guys, so thanks for over 200 subscribers. Okay, I'm going to the first floor now, and then I'm going to be finishing this video, okay, guys? Okay, and I'm going to the first floor. As you can see, that's a Nike shop right there. Nike, okay, okay. And now I'm going to be finishing this video, so I want to say thank you guys for over 200 subscribers. Thank you for supporting me on social media. And when you help somebody, you help yourself, okay? So stay COVID free. And we'll be seeing you in the next one, okay guys? Okay guys, so take care of yourself and love yourself. so you can love somebody, and make sure that you always, if you see somebody in need, give them $1, give them some food, okay? I live among the locals, okay? And also what I want to say is that, when you help somebody, you help yourself. Okay, guys? So always take care of somebody when you have the chance, because during this time of COVID. Stay COVID-free, guys. Love you guys, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Okay, guys, let me look for my button. There it is. Bye-bye.